Good morning everyone, it's me Ali and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro US dollar and the precious metal gold. Guys, before we take a look at the technical side of the market, I would like you to know that there has been a massive buying in the US dollar lately, and one of the major reasons behind a massive buying in the US dollar was unemployment claims. Yesterday US labor market figures were quite impressive. The U.S. economy has reported less jobless claims as when we compare it with the analyst forecast and when we compare it with the beforehand economic data. Which is why we have a surge in the US dollar. Investors started moving in the moving their investments from the precious metal or the safe haven assets to the US dollar, because they believe that okay, things are probably getting back to normal. But anyways, we still do not need to be very overconfident about the US dollar, because COVID-19 and the US China trade war is still there to impact the market. So there are huge chances that there can be a reversal on the release of any news regarding COVID-19 and the US China trade war. So therefore we have to keep an eye on the technical side of the market. Alright, so guys, now taking a look at the technical side of the market, as you can see, the precious metal gold was trading within a upward channel, and lately it has violated the upward channel, as you can see here. The precious metal gold has violated the channel here, and it fell down to the support level of 1798. By the way, right now the market is trading in between a narrow range, and the later today we have core PPI figure, which is not that much important from trading viewpoint, but anyways this still can drive the market sentiment. So what we need to do right now is, until and unless we do not have a breakout, I'm not very optimistic about trading gold, because we should wait for the breakout. Otherwise, we will be stuck in no trend. For instance, right now market is expected to stay like showing us the choppy sessions in between 1806 level to 1798 98 level, and as soon as market violates this level like 1798 on the lower side, we are going to see market going towards 1787 support level. While on the other hand, if we have a bullish breakout on the higher side above 1806, in order to do that, we have to have candles closing above 1806 level, and as soon as it happens, we are going to see market going after the immediate resistance level of 1816 level. Well, if we speak about the the leading indicators and the lagging indicators, the MACD and the RSI are suggesting bearish buys, and at the same time the 50 pairs exponential moving average is also suggesting a selling bias. But let me tell you one thing. This is not a very clear-cut selling bias, because the market is tossing up above and below the 50 pairs exponential moving average, which is suggesting indecision among investors. So therefore, in order to have a clear-cut selling trend in the market, we need to have a closing candles below 1798 level on the 1 hourly time frame, and as soon as it happens, we may have a opportunity to short the precious metal gold. So guys, taking a look at the Euro USD, just like gold, the Euro USD has also violated the upward channel, as you can see here. The market was trading in between the upward channel here, and finally the market has violated the upward channel. And as you know, there was this was the head and shoulder pattern. If I zoom in, these were the shoulders, these were this shoulder and this shoulder, this was head and shoulder pattern. Basically has driven a selling bias in the market, and there was a bearish like crossover on the 50 pairs exponential moving average. And right now, as you see here, the market has violated this particular upward trend, and right now we can expect a bullish correction in the market, and after that we can again expect a selling bias in the market. So that's what we can expect in the market right now. The reason once again is the US dollar, and it is getting stronger based upon the not exceptional, I must say that better than expected unemployment claims data. So for now, we have to keep an eye on like the immediate support is likely to be found around 1.1263 level. Above this, we may have a bullish opportunity. We can go long above this level here, and our stop loss needs to be very minimum. Our take profit needs to be like 40 pips, as you see here, and stop loss needs to be like 10 pips or 15 or maybe maximum 20 pips. But on the other hand, in case the market violates the this particular level, we can open a short position somewhere around here below like 1.1263 level, and our target needs to be again 35 pips around 1.1225 level, while the stop loss can be like 20 pips, 25 pips, and make sure that we do not risk more than 2% of whenever we trade. This is just one of the money management tips for you. So anyways guys, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you enjoyed this session, do click on the like button and also share your opinion, what you think about the market and how is it going with your trading in the comment box below. And I hope to see you next week. Until then, take care of yourself, have a very nice weekend, and have a very profitable session ahead.